Welcome back to Daytime Live.
Yes.
So on February 17th, 8 Mile in St. Thomas comes alive with the return of the Wickie Wackie Music Festival. And joining us to tell us all about it is musician, singer, songwriter, and our friend of the show.
Yes.
The general, the original, and still the greatest, Mr. Kumar Ben. Welcome, sir.
How are you doing? It's good to see you.
Likewise. Good vibes.
So,
Wiki Waki is tomorrow.
yeah, I can't believe it.
Once more after so many years. And I mean, it's
How
also...
many years?
Well, last one we had was 2017. And then the following year, I had separated from the band. So now the band is back together for Wiki Waki.
Good stuff.
So should be a good event. You know, we have Cat Core, you know, performing Jamaican, you know, Bongo Herman, a pass through. And I'm only most special guests. I won't say their names now, but you need to be at Wiki Waki tomorrow night to see that. Plus, Gabriel Selassie Kingston Dub Club on the beach after the show. You know, Uncle Ronnie, early show on the beach. I mean, it's so much happening.
A while ago.
Yeah.
You said beach. What is it that makes Wiki Waki special among other music festivals?
Because, I mean, I have heat, air, and water, you know, combined in one place. You find that, you know, when we light the bonfire, most people like it. Most people like the energy of just chilling on the beach with their special person. Or even just the family, the kids, everybody can come to Wiki Waki. And it's affordable, that's one. Plus, it's strictly clean, positive roots, rocking reggae music. So
Love it.
who wanna miss
Just the energy
that?
itself.
Just the energy
yeah,
itself.
man,
You know?
that's true. So, return of Raging Fire.
Hey.
Well, if you put it that way. If you put it that way. But I mean, honestly, the members of the band, we've all decided, well, with the exclusion of one, but we've decided to make the music bigger than the rest of we, you know? The music is much bigger than all of us, so I think the fans have spoken over the years, and it's time to give them what they want, you know?
Yeah. Me understand everything.
Yeah, you know, brother, trust me. And even you guys are a great inspiration as well, because when I saw that, I was like, yo, trust me.
Big up, man.
Why stop with? You know, let's just do it for the culture, for the music. So.
Yeah, and then to some extent, I find both of you are in groups that in doing what you're doing, coming together again, you are living what you preach in your music too and in your life.
Yes.
So it's a serious representation of who it is that you are. Indeed. So kudos for that. Big up.
Indeed, like we have to do it. We have to do it.
Yes.
And we're proud of the item here, sir.
Give thanks. See him.
You know I'm gonna voice me soon.
Big song.
All right. So tell us what time it starts, because you mentioned the other acts on the bill already.
Yes.
Well, I mean, gates open at 4. So if you get to Wiki Waki early, you can catch the Sunset Acoustic Session, which we have some artists performing for the Sunset Acoustic Session. Nice. And then we have Rhythm Magazine and Soundquake from Germany, who's doing a rhythm feature. So like a sound system in the dance kind of vibes with some artists a showcase as well. And then, you know, we have drumming and chanting, some bingy vibes at 8:30 if you light the bonfire on the beach. Then the band hits the stage. And we're performing a 2.5-hour set as Raging Fire, as Kumar and the Original Fire. So we're playing songs from the first album to the third album to Kumar's solo album.
Wicked.
As well as we're bringing in guests, you know, our guests that I mentioned earlier.
Yes.
So it should be something, you know, to behold. I don't think you want to miss this Wiki
No,
Waki.
we don't. But as you say, like Kumar, you know, sometimes when you are a parent and you hear about a festival and you hear that it's for the family, you wonder, okay, but what specifically will happen with my children? So could you talk us through that? Like if I come with my kids?
Yeah, if you come with the kids, I mean, the kids can definitely chill on the beach from in the evening. And I mean, there's spots that you could put your blanket, you could watch the show. You know what I mean? And I mean, kids are free. If you're under 12-year-old and you have your kids at home, bring them. Because I mean, nobody's charging them at the gate. Or we don't have any ticket prices for kids because we believe in just allowing people to have fun. You know, we don't have a VIP. We don't have any segregation, I would call it, you know, at the event. It's really a family vibe.
So you mentioned the nitty-gritty right there. So how the price go? What is the price?
Well, you missed the early bird already, which was 3,500. But now pre-sold tickets are available online and select locations. Well, them probably don't know. But I mean, 4,500 pre-sold and $5,000 at the gate.
Okay,
So,
that's good. Social media.
Yeah, social media, WikiWakiMusicFest.com. I mean, you could definitely find us everywhere.
Okay.
Wiki Waki. And Wiki Waki is the community, right? Wiki Waki is a community in Bull Bay. That's the name of the community.
Yes.
And for myself, it's Kumar Fire. everywhere.
Everywhere.
On Instagram.
All right. Lovely. Thank you so much, Kumar.
Yeah, man, thanks for
so
having
that's
me.
tomorrow.
Yes.
Yes.
Always a pleasure to have you.
Every time, my lad.
Blessings,
Blessings.
blessings.